We've now got our colors being kind of see-through-ish, but what I don't like right now is that we're going straight from green to red. There's this no in between green and red, like this yellowish area. In between them, it instead has this weird kind of green-red, or I don't know what you call green-red middle.
Yeah, grid.
Gred, yeah, this kind of gredness going on. All right, so let's make it so there's a third color, and then we can, if we hit 50% of the percentage, then we would be that third color of yellow.
Yep.
Whoa, not you. Let's go into the code and go back up to the top, and where we've got our color for display high, let's put in a new one for mid. And then we can come down to our codey part here where we have the color being assigned. We're now going to put that as, I'm just going to cut this and say determine color and pass in percent.
Yep.
Now it's going to yell at me because determine color doesn't exist, so control.enter F12.
Really need to start using that.
Yeah, go in there. You don't do that?
We've talked about this like 4 times.
I think
but
we have.
no, I keep forgetting.
Fair enough. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is return black. Whoa, no, color dot black. It annoys me that this spells without a U, but hey, that is Unity. So we're going to do this. If percent is less than 0.5f, so if we are less than 50% of the way through the range, then we will return the LERP between low and mid, which will get us between the green and yellow. But that is going to, if we pass in 25%, then this will give us 25% of the way between low and mid.
That's not good.
So indeed, that is not good. So we should double it. So if we're at 25%, it should actually be 50. Yes. All right, and then we go, awesome. If that is not correct, if that is not what we want, we are actually above 50%. So if percent is bigger than or equal to 0.5f, then we will return color.lerp between mid and high and pass in the percent just as regularly. What is this one talking about? I missed the comma and I put the semicolon there. So now we're all happy. Great. So if percent is one of those two, then give us the correct color. If something has gone just drastically wrong somehow, which theoretically shouldn't be possible, then we'll return black.
Yes.
Great. So that will now go into the materials color. And we actually don't need this part, so I'm going to get rid of that. Last thing we need to do is into Unity and go to Analytics Manager and set our mid color. Currently it is black. Let's make it yellow and put our color at like 120-ish.
Yep.
All right, let's test it out. Drum roll, please, Nick. That was a pretty long drum roll, but we got it. We have yellow in between.
Looks good.
That looks much nicer.
Looks a lot better.
Yeah, and now we've got this orange if we're between there. So we've now got somewhere testing each of the individual specific spots. And now we can see where our players are clicking in game. So somehow we can, well, there's lots of clicking going over here on the right and jumping off this side. Now, if you look at that from the game's perspective, that does make sense because you don't really go, this way. You wait for him to leave and be walking that way and then run away. But I don't know. That's just how I play the game. Maybe other people. This is my analytics. Like, this is me playing the game every time. Would you like a turn, Nick? You haven't had a turn of the game.
Yes.
Go, Nick. Do you want to go left or right?
Well, what if I go straight through?
Don't
go straight
do that.
I won't go straight through. Right.
Oh, didn't get spotted.
Oh, damn it. I think I did.
Ah, you did. No longer colliding with. Nick got spotted.
Oh, well.
Quick, make a dash for the end. Make a dash for the end.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, Nick has passed level 1.
Yeah.
Nick went to the left, probably just to be different.
I don't know why I went left.
Nick doesn't have a hipster beard.
For
now. Anyway, that is all we needed to do in this video. So thank you very much, everybody.
Thank you, Richard.
You are quite welcome, Nick, and everyone.
Yes.